put it on the good one. I like that one. That sounds better. Sometimes this thing gets well after a while.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's pretty weird.
You mean the stage value?
No, the
Winter?
Pestus. Yeah, it's a BP3. It's a Pestus.
I see.
Between here and Patterson, though, doesn't it?
Yes.
I don't think we should get too aggressive here. Let's just take this one to the top, and then we'll glide on out there.
Sure. Oh, great view.
Is our oxygen turned on?
Should be.
Because I'm not feeling a whiff when I inhale here.
You're right now what?
14.
Oh, 14,000?